Hey guys, you want to know how to repair your ornaments? Those that you think you can't use anymore? Well, stick around and I'm going to show you how to repair your ornaments that you thought you had to rid of. Get your glue gun, your glue sticks, and your scissors and ribbon. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your host here, Gigi Face, and in today's video, we are going to do a little repair work to some of my ornaments. Now, I have quite a few ornaments that the top part of it has broken off. Quite a few of them that, see, I've tried to repair in the past. And this one I could probably still get this one to work because I do have a little bit of that wire around that one. This one, the little hoop piece that goes on that is gone, so I may have to try again wrapping some wire around that one. This one, the piece is completely gone. So just a bunch of ornaments that are really nice, and I don't want to rid of them, so we're going to do a little repair work. And as you can see, this one has been repaired before, but it looks like the green wire that I had on that one is completely gone. So this is what we're going to do. And my thought was to use this ribbon and then attach one of these little pearls onto the top of it. There you go. So we're going to play around and hopefully it works out. See, that's the way it's supposed to be. That one is good. Oh, this one is good. So how do these get tossed in the bag? Okay. So it looks like I have about maybe 10 that needs to be repaired. And I know I can buy those little hooks from Amazon, but I want to try this method first and see if it will really work. So y'all know tis the season to be glittered. So I have my Gorilla glue gun, and I have some glue sticks. Sorry for the noise. I have a fresh bag of glue sticks. So we are going to start off, but first I want to cut some ribbon. So I have my little scissors here, and I think these may be, they're maybe Dollar Tree scissors. I don't know. I've had them for a long time, so we're going to use our scissors, our glue gun, our glue sticks. We have some ribbon. We have our pearls. And we have our ornaments. So I think for this first one, being that the top is so big, I am going to wrap, because the top of this one is kind of big, almost the size of maybe a nickel. So I'm going to use the ribbon to wrap around here and then leave enough for a hoop. So let's get started. So I'm going to drop you guys down so you can see. Okay guys, now is a great time for you to go ahead, grab your coffee, your tea, or whatever it is that you're choosing to drink. Sit back and relax and enjoy. But also, if you have some broken ornaments, go ahead, gather those ornaments. If you have a hot glue gun, hot glue sticks, get your scissors and your ribbons, and let's fix our ornaments. Let's repair, let's refurbish our ornaments together. I invite you to join in with me. And if you take me up on that offer, let me know by leaving a comment in the comment section below. Guys, hopefully this will give you some ideas, tips, tricks as to how you too can get creative and let's revamp those things that we thought were unusable. Although when your ornaments are broken like this, you can use them in other ways. Yeah, if you don't want to repair them as I am doing here, add you some faux snow into a glass cylinder or vase and add them in there for a decorative piece for the holidays. So here I have applied some glue and I am attaching the ribbon around the base of the top part here, and I will just continue to add glue until I get to a place that I want the ends to meet, and then we will add a little hoop so that we can hang them wherever we choose to. Okay guys, this is the last one that I need to repair, and we're going to call it a wrap. But I hope that this has inspired you to save your ornaments that have the broken tops. And what I'm going to do is just let these sit overnight, and then I will use them the following day or so, and I will share with you where I am going to use them. But this is a quick, well, it's not quick. Let me not say it's quick. It's an easy way for you to preserve your ornaments, especially when they are in good shape and all they are missing is just the top part here. Just get creative. So I'm gonna pop a little pearl up here on the top. And you learn little tricks and tips along the way. Ooh, and just enough ribbon. As you can see, we are at the end of the little spool here. And I purchased this spool from Joann's, $4.99, but I think it was 60% off. So another tip, buy your ribbon and things when they are on sale, especially around the holiday season and after the holidays when they mark everything down. Save it for the next season. That way when you need it, you will have it. And I had some red ribbon, but I didn't have red and white. I think I'm going to shorten this, and then, yeah, I'll leave that hanging just like that. So just shorten it, tuck it in here. Let that part hang. And then we'll place another pearl right on the front here. All right, guys, that's it. It's a wrap. I hope you've enjoyed how I have shared with you how I have revamped my ornaments that had the broken tops. If this is your first time and you're part of this family, I welcome you here, and it's so easy. All you have to do is make sure you hit the subscribe button. Make sure you tap that notification bell twice so you're always notified of any and all up-and-coming videos that are created on this channel here. I'm your host, your Styling with Gigi Face, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. For those of you that continue to show me love and support, a great big hug. The season has begun, the DIYs have started, and so has the decoration. Talk to you real soon. Thanks, guys.